Doctor, what's wrong with me?
It's worse than I thought.
What is it?
Shh. Quiet. It appears that you are allergic to fun.
How is that possible? I was raised on fun.
I think I have a cure. Give me $10.
Why?
Look, do you want to live? Just give me $10. Thank you.
Doctor, suddenly I feel better.
Well, I am a doctor, and I know that FridgeFest 2011 tickets are the cure for any and all allergies to fun. Who can resist 7 bands, DJ Q-Ball, the Bloodhound Gang, and billiards and cornhole tournaments? I know I can't, and they cure everything.
So I'm gonna be okay?
Yes, but allergies to fun are contagious.
So my dog's gonna catch it?
No, you're an idiot. But what I can tell you is to go to fridgefilms.com, where you can buy tickets via PayPal and get as many and as much tickets as you want for just $10 a piece. It's the greatest deal in town.
I'm cured. Except for the rash.
I know. I gave it to you.